Crystal Sews and Stuff on Instagram. Today I want to first welcome back all of my new subscribers to the channel. And I wanted to thank Lisa Kish, especially from And So On here on YouTube, for her shout out and her 5,000 subscriber video. So welcome to all of my new subscribers and all of my new viewers today. So today I wanted to share with you my review of the Jessica dress by MiMiG Style. So if you haven't heard of the Jessica dress, it was a free pattern that MiMiG issued on her YouTube page and on her blog for subscribing to her newsletter. So I'll leave a link in the description box to the post where she issues the pattern. So this is a shirt dress pattern with pockets. So I'm gonna show you the dress right here. So here it is. So let me see. Can you see? So this is, it has two big pockets, and here's the back, and a gathered skirt and princess seams. So I'll say this dress is for an advanced beginner. So I made the size small. And I graded from, here's the pattern piece. So I made a size small, and I graded from a small down to out to a medium at the waist. But I think it's a little bit big, so next time I would just make it a small all the way down. And the other change that I made was I decided to make tie straps instead of just a single strap. The original pattern has just one single strap right here. So I really I just wanted to make sure it was more adjustable in the waistline, because at first I was thinking about shortening the bodice piece, but I was like, I don't know, I'm not sure. I might shorten it a little bit too much because I'm petite. But I decided to keep it the original length instead. I'm glad I decided to do that. But instead I decided to do the strap so that it'll be adjustable. So the fabric that I use is from Mayfield Fabrics, from Carla at Mayfield Fabrics. She has a channel here on YouTube, and she recently opened up a fabric store, and this is the fabric that I got from her. It's a vintage cotton poplin fabric, and I really like it because it gives like a 70s vibe to it. So I really like this fabric. And it's a very pretty florals. So I bought this fabric because it has such a cute little vintage 70s vibe, and I thought the straps would go with that 70s vibe as well. And I decided to use fabric covered buttons right here. And I'm trying out Instagram stories, IGTV, and I did a little quick video, and I'll leave a link to my IGTV stories if they'll let me, showing you how to prepare fabric covered buttons. So because I didn't have any buttons that matched exactly, so I decided to go with fabric covered buttons. But I used 5/8 inch buttons instead of 1/2 inch buttons. But so the only thing is, when I made when it got really close to the line here, if you can tell. So because I use 5/8 instead of a 1/2 inch, where it lines up, it's right on the edge. But it's fine, it looks cute. But if I had to do it again, I would make the buttonholes vertical instead of horizontal, because in the pattern it says they were horizontal, but because I used bigger buttons, I should have done them vertical. Those are all and the other change that I made was because the fabric wasn't wide, super wide. It was like a little less than 45 inches wide. I had to cut a center seam in the back. So instead of it being all one piece, can you see it? I don't even know if you can. There you go. I did a center seam in the back in order to make to get the full width of the back on the back pattern. of the Jessica dress. Thank you so much for watching. I'll leave links below. Please be sure to check them out. Thank you so much, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care now. Bye.